You've noticed it. Claude on Claude AI feels different from Claude inside some random productivity app. ChatGPT feels different on one platform versus another. Same model, completely different experience. Here's exactly why. Every AI model you interact with has a layer you never see. It's called the system prompt. And it's the single biggest reason the same underlying model can feel like a completely different product depending on where you use it. Here's how it works technically. When a developer builds an app on top of Claude or GPT, they don't give you raw access to the model. Before your message even reaches the model, the developer injects their own set of instructions at the top of the context window. This system prompt tells the model who it is, how to behave, what to refuse, what tone to use, what to focus on, and what to ignore. So one developer might write a system prompt that says, be concise, professional, never discuss competitors, only answer questions about our product. Another might say, be creative, casual, push boundaries, think like a startup founder. Same Claude underneath, completely different personality on top. But it goes deeper than just tone. Developers can also control the model's temperature, a parameter that controls how random or deterministic the outputs are. Low temperature means the model plays it safe, gives predictable answers. High temperature means it gets creative, takes more risks, occasionally goes off script. They also control max output tokens, how long the response can be, which is why some apps give you short clipped answers and the others give you essays. Same model, different constraints. On top of that, many apps layer retrieval augmented generation or RAG on top of the base model. They're feeding the model additional context from their own database before it answers you. So the model isn't just using what it learned during training, it's also using live data injected at inference time. That changes the answers dramatically. And then there's fine-tuning. Some companies don't just prompt engineer the base model, they actually retain it on their own dataset, pushing its behavior in a specific direction permanently. What you're using at that point is technically a different model derived from the original. So next time an AI feels off, or surprisingly good, or weirdly restricted, it's not the model that changed, it's the instructions, the constraints, and the data layer sitting invisibly between you and it. The model is the engine, the system prompt is who's driving it. Hi everyone, I'm Jasdeep, and I break down complex AI concepts like this. Follow for more.